say, we're just going to wait for a few more minutes. Then we're going to ask Mitch again and Zhu to open it, and we'll start. So today is very exciting. Today we are going to talk about fundraising. And we're going to talk about how to promote your startup. Right? So I'm just going to wait for a few more students. Any questions from the first or the second classes? 有没有任何的疑问或问题？从第一班到第二班 ，any questions? You have a question. Yes, you do. And you have a question too, right? So who actually went out and talked to people? 有谁真的去外面跟朋友讲这个 idea? Anybody did? Raise your hand. If you talk to people about your idea, raise your hand. Okay, great. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Okay. So we're still going to wait for a few more. So you有跟朋友讲你的点子，是不是？ It's okay, it's great. So what did they say? 你的朋友说什么？还 okay? And that's good. That's great. So what did your friends say? Sorry? Did you talk to your friends about your idea? And what did they say? Great! That's great. Oh, you want to keep everybody surprised, so she doesn't want to say it now, right? Okay, amazing. So she collected money, I guess. Alright. So, a few more people. Anybody has any questions? 来，今天你当副班好了。 来了，我们再重新练习。We're going to re-practice this. So when I say you're going to be the 副班 what's going to be your reaction? 我说你是副班，你的表情应该怎么样？好，要不要换一个？好 So do you want to be the 副班 today? They said, oh my God, this is amazing. 要不要试试看？Do you want to be the 副班 today? Oh my God. Okay. So, Panza, what do you say? You're the chief today, right? Yeah? Or do you want to nominate somebody? Okay, great. So, do we actually wrote the things on the board and pass it to everybody? 上次不是黑板有写好几个字吗？ And somebody volunteered said they were going to write it and distribute it, right? Okay, who actually volunteered? Where's Bob? Okay, Bob. Did he show up last week, right? He loved the class so much. Okay, great. So, should we start? Okay. Let's give a warm welcome to 民秋院长，来，我们热烈欢迎院长。
I didn't pay too much attention. I did not know I had to make it talk. Anyway, you know, I was out of country for the last 2 weeks. I was in Germany and US. So I came back and I heard we lost some students. Not too much interested in entrepreneurship. I don't think that's the message. I think you are the one really interested, and you're the one who's going to make a difference. So I'd like to see you can move on. Now you're in the second stage. Okay. Yes, you have, you're doing David and John Gideon, and now you have some idea of what the projects could look like. Right? Now you want to take the next step. Right? By setting the projects, you get to know, what is the value, and then internalize what is the value of your project. Because at the end, a good entrepreneurship or a good enterprise starts with the value. Right? And how do you position the value? If you oversell your the business, then what's going to happen? Because this is not going to be sustainable, right? Because you overprice. But if you undersell, you may not have enough resources to sustain it either. So how do you position it right? And how do you, the best way to do it is you interact with the public, with the outside. And like everything else, the value is decided by the market. So I think that with David's help, today is going to be this morning, and in the afternoon we have someone already has the experience. Right? He's the CEO of the company, and actually coordinated by Jose Yen. He introduced his CEO coming here today, this afternoon. And you can ask questions. If you have some questions, you can know, you have to get some second or third opinion. And I think this afternoon you can do that. So we're going to have a full day today. And again, I want to thank the David for coming all the way. They really appreciate it.
Thank you, thank you. And 我们也欢迎那个严主任，主任来跟我们讲2句话，好不好？我们 give a warm welcome to 严主任。
Good morning. In next few weeks, we will arrange some kind of business meeting event. So we welcome you and your friends to come to our meeting group. Probably we will meet in some kind of very famous Taiwan farmers company. And for food issue, I think that is a very important issue in terms of Taiwan's politics today. So if you have any suggestion to visit some other bigger company that you know, so you can contact with me. So I can arrange it. Probably in next semester, not this semester. That's why I want to say. Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Anybody want to say anything before the class? All right, so are we sitting in groups? 我们有没有坐在一起? Do we want to arrange, or do we want to sit like this, or do we want to turn the table into a group? So what do you say? Okay, so we'll give everybody 1 minute to form your groups, so you can move your tables into groups. So you can form your tables. All right. So
Group 1, it's just like last class. Group 1 is over here, but you can see somewhere here around. Group 2 is here. Group 3 here. I know you're here. Group 4 is behind. You don't have group 5. So group 8 can see at the back of the window, and group 6 is over here. Where's group 7? Raise your hand. Group 7. Okay, then you can see here. Group 5. Anyone